What's going on, everybody? Kevin here with Gooders Water Gardens, and today we are in Shawnee, Kansas, and we are starting a pondless waterfall. We're going to reshape all of this terrain right here that I'm standing on and turn it into something awesome when we're finished here. Well, we have our reservoir all installed and we are backfilling it, getting it all locked in at this point. We're gonna go ahead and get things tarped up, cleaned up and all secured for the evening. Alrighty, we are wrapping things up here for today. Made some really good progress. Set about 10-12 feet of the stream or so. So we're really coming along here. We have the majority of our rocks here. We are going to have to get a few more tomorrow. So we're going to go ahead and clean things up and get on out of here. We will see you guys here in a second. Day 3, back at it here, finishing up on the upper part of this waterfall here. The guys were able to tuck a lot of the edges and they're bringing back more material right now so we can get this thing pretty well wrapped up here today. I'd like to get up near the top of our spillway before we get on out of here. That way tomorrow we can just kind of put some final touches on things, get things cleaned up and mulched. All right, we are wrapping things up and getting on out of here for today. We were able to get the rest of our rocks set on the way up to the spillway here. Just a few more rocks to set before we can get water up and running tomorrow. We need a little bit more dirt to finish building up around the back of our waterfall here. And then obviously getting things cleaned up and ready to roll on out of here. So we'll be back in the morning, get everything all wrapped up. We'll see you then. We are finishing things up here. Guys are just loading up the last couple things onto the truck, and we're getting things all tidied up, but things are all mulched, waterfall's all up and running. I'm gonna flip you around here and show you what we came up with